I just got this 1929 Ford Model A four-door. It's a little rough. I just got it. It sat in a barn for about 2 years, and then prior to that, the guy had it for 9 years before he sold it to that guy. It's a little rough around the edges. I'm looking to, this is my first restore, so bear with me. I can't get it started. I can get it started, but I can't get it to turn over. And I think the problem is the carburetor. I think I need to clean the carb, but I wanted to get your opinion. And I've never restored a car before, so I'm interested in kind of what you think. I just pressure washed it. It was a little dirty. Did want to get your opinion on the door though, or everything in the car. Is it normal to have basically everything in these wood? Almost everything inside in the interior is made of wood. I disconnect the battery. I just got a new battery. That was my first issue. Was that? But so when I start it, put it in neutral here. Gas is on. See that? The choke, another thing, the choke I can't seem to rotate for a better fuel mixture. That's on. Neutral. All right. And then I've been putting it pretty much everywhere for this guy. So here we go. So what you can hear is it can turn over, and then it just doesn't stay turned over. When I play with the choke. When I play with the choke, it seems to want to stay, but I have to keep going in and out. I've played with the timing as well. That seems to kind of keep it started, but eventually it dies. It's almost like it's got spark, it's got air. It's almost like it's just dying for fuel. And the fuel is on. This is it looks like this was it's second hand. It's not the original. I think the guy that had it for 9 years did it for he did a partial restoral of this thing. But yeah, I'm interested to hear what you think. I mean, I can try again. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. It's hard to do this one-handed. But you hear that. Oh, it wants to turn over. It wants to stay, but it's just not. So I'll up the throttle a little bit. And I'll go about, it's like a sweet spot, like about halfway in, halfway out, and then it'll stay, but then it'll stall out. So yeah, I'm interested to hear what you have to think about my new ride and how I can fix it.